Hello everyone. Welcome back to WaterLink, your home for smart plumbing knowledge. Today we're talking about one of the most important tools in plumbing, water pumps. Whether you're installing a new water system, fixing low pressure, or setting up irrigation, choosing the right pump makes a huge difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 types of water pumps every plumber should know, how they work, where they're used, and their pros and cons. Let's get started. 1. Centrifugal pump. First on our list is the centrifugal pump. This is the most common type used in plumbing systems and water supply networks. It works by converting rotational energy from a motor or engine into kinetic energy that moves water through the system. Inside the pump, there's a spinning impeller that pushes water outward, creating flow and pressure. Centrifugal pumps are perfect for clean water and low viscosity liquids. They're simple to install, easy to maintain, and great for domestic water supply, boosting pressure, and irrigation systems. However, they're not ideal for suction lift, meaning they can't pump water if it's far below the pump level. The pump must be primed with water before starting. 2. Submersible pump. Next is the submersible pump. As the name says, this pump operates underwater. The motor and pump are both sealed in one unit and placed directly in the water source like a well, borehole, or tank. The best part is that it never needs priming, it's already submerged, so the water naturally enters the pump. Submersible pumps are known for quiet operation and high efficiency because they push water to the surface rather than pulling it. They're commonly used in deep wells, boreholes, and drainage systems. But one drawback is maintenance. If it breaks, you'll need to remove it from the water source. 3. Jet pump. Third on our list, the jet pump. Jet pumps are surface-mounted pumps that use both suction and pressure to lift water from deep sources. They're often used in homes with shallow or deep wells. The working principle is simple. The pump draws water through a nozzle, increasing velocity and creating suction that lifts more water. Jet pumps are reliable, and they can move water over long distances, but they can be noisy and sometimes lose efficiency if air enters the system. If you want constant pressure in a small domestic system, pairing a jet pump with a pressure tank is a great idea. 4. Booster pump. Number 4. The booster pump. This pump doesn't bring water from a well or source, it increases the pressure in an existing line. You'll usually find them in tall buildings, hotels, and houses where water pressure drops on upper floors. Booster pumps can be installed in line with the water pipe to boost flow wherever pressure is weak. They come in manual or automatic versions, and some modern models even have pressure sensors that switch on and off automatically. They're small, efficient, and perfect for homes or apartments where the tap pressure feels low. 5. Gear pump. Finally, the gear pump. It's not as common in domestic plumbing, but it's essential for industrial systems where thick or viscous fluids are used like oils or chemicals. It works with 2 rotating gears that trap liquid between their teeth and push it through the system. Gear pumps are very precise, durable, and can handle high pressure. However, they're not suitable for dirty or abrasive water. Particles can damage the gears. So, those are the top 5 water pumps every plumber should know. Centrifugal, submersible, jet, booster, and gear pumps. Each one has a specific purpose, and understanding their differences helps you make smarter plumbing decisions, save energy, and deliver better results for your clients. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to WaterLink and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Drop a comment below and tell me which pump you use most often in your plumbing work. Thanks for watching. And remember, smart plumbing builds smart homes.